In this video, we'll be looking at object-oriented programming, and we'll be covering what is OOPS, concepts of OOPS with example, and advantages of OOPS. What is OOPS? It's a software development programming methodology to design a program using classes and objects. It simplifies a way of creating large-scale systems. Concepts of OOPS: class, object, inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Let's look at individual concepts. Class. It is a blueprint of a method and data members. Example, we have animal class. Object. It's an instance created to access all the methods and data members of a class. In our example of class animals, below are the objects that can be created. Abstraction. It's a process of providing essential detail or exposing only required information to the user. Example, lion. They have eyes, and what they see and sense are the abstracted. We have legs, which is being exposed, and walking is the abstracted one. Encapsulation. It's a technique of wrapping the data and code. In OOPS, variables of a class is hidden from other class. Example, human, which has a tongue, and taste is the encapsulated part. And nose is exposed, but smell is the encapsulated one. Polymorphism. Ability of the OOPS to have same method name but different entities. Humans, they have legs to walk and the legs to run. Hands to eat and hands to work. Inheritance. Concept in which features of parent class can be accessed in child classes. It creates parent-child relationship between two classes. Example, human, where male and female are child of human class. Advantages of OOPS: code reusability, software development productivity, software maintainability, and encapsulation. In our next video, let's look at individual concepts with code walkthrough. Thank you.